Everybody knows that the cure for hiccups is sucking your thumb. Oh, so sad. Oh, baby hiccups. Okay. Oh, there you go. Did you cure him? Did you cure him? Oh, you didn't. You should get your thumb back in your mouth. You should get your thumb back in your mouth. Oh. Oh. I know. Whoa. She just looks sick of them at this point. Oh, Rose. I'm so sorry. Oh.